पास एक स्मॉल सा टॉपिक है. ओके, सो टुडे विल डिस्कस रिगार्डिंग द सम इन्फेक्शियस डिजीजेस. ओके, so definitely we'll discuss some disease. Okay, along with this, what are the cause of this affected organs and transmissions. Okay, so see, first smallpox. Okay, so in that smallpox, the causative agent can be virus. Okay, and affected organs can be skin. How it will transmit? So you can see, so it can transmit by the droplet. Okay, and by formats also it can be transferred. So you can see in the smallpox what happens. So there is a rashes will be there on the skin. Okay, and that rashes, if that will be transferred by the any formats and other things. Okay, from person to person, so it can affect. Okay, yeah. The next is influenza. So influenza can cause by the virus. Okay, the affected organs for the influenza is respiratory system. Okay, the next is transmission of influenza. So influenza can be transmit by the direct contact. Okay, the next is HIV AIDS. So HIV AIDS can be caused by the virus, and affected organs is the immune system. The transmission of the HIV AIDS can be by the body fluid. Okay, or you can say some body fluid. That means you can say, suppose someone is affected already by the HIV. Okay, and if they will use the needles, okay, for the injection, and the same injection or same needle will used with the other person. Okay, so that can affect other one also by the needles only. Okay, so by the body fluid it can be transferred from person to person. The next is hepatitis B. So hepatitis B can cause by the virus. The affected organs of hepatitis B is the liver. The transmission mode of hepatitis B is a body fluid. Okay. The next is tetanus. So the tetanus is caused by the bacteria. The affected organs of tetanus is the nervous system. The transmission, so it can be transmitted by the puncture wounds, and then you can know, you just see someone, suppose someone is there. Okay, and if they will get wound by the any metals. Okay, or maybe iron rods or any rusting weapons. Okay, or rusting articles, by that they can also get the tetanus. Okay, the next is strep throat. So strep throat can be caused by the bacteria. The next is affected organs, respiratory system. Next, it can be transmit or transfer by the droplet. Okay, the next is tuberculosis. So tuberculosis can cause by the bacteria. Okay, mycobacterium tuberculosis. And then affected organs is a respiratory. Okay, you can just in the case of tuberculosis. So what happens, the person will start to cough. Okay, then a sputum will be formed in the lungs. Then there is a complication in the respiratory. Finally, they can be diagnosed with the tuberculosis, if the tuberculosis will be there then. Okay, or in that report you can see the mycobacterium tuberculosis. It can be transferred or it can be transmit by the droplet. Okay, or by many methods. Suppose if any tuberculosis patient are there. Okay, if they will talk in front of you. Okay, so the tuberculosis, you can say the bacteria can transfer from person to person by talking only. Okay, if they will use the fomites. Okay, with the affected people, so that can also be transferred by the formats along with some like a dishes, glasses. Okay, pen, pencil, computers. So by these things it can also be transferred from person to person. Okay, so thank you for watching. Keep reading, keep learning, keep growing.